Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Medicaid online in Illinois. First, ensure you have all necessary documents ready, including identification, proof of residency, and income statements. Next, visit the official Illinois Benefits website. You will need to create a new account or log in if you are a returning user to access the application portal. This initial preparation saves significant time. Once logged in, you will proceed to fill out the online application form. Be sure to accurately provide all personal details, including your household size and total income. You must list every member of your household and their relationship to you. Also, indicate if anyone in your household currently has other health insurance coverage. Double-check all entries for correctness. The next crucial step involves uploading your supporting documents. Ensure these are clear and legible copies of items like recent pay stubs, tax returns, and birth certificates. The system will guide you on which specific documents are needed. Before clicking Submit, take a moment to carefully review all the information you have entered for accuracy. After successfully submitting your application, you will receive a confirmation number. Keep this number for your records. The state typically processes applications and provides an eligibility decision within approximately 45 days. It is very important to respond promptly to any requests for additional information to avoid delays in your application's processing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.